Hello guys, this is Rob with Tech. So today we're going to go over how to update Immich to version 1.133.0. Before you jump over to this version, you got to make sure that you're on version 1.1, 1.10, 1.107.2 or newer if you want to go to version 1.130.0. So this is one of the requirements. To check the version, you can just go to your Immich, log in, and you can see the version there, 1.129. This is what I currently have here. Another thing to consider is that we need to make some changes on the YAML file. So if you followed my last video to install the image, you basically just have to remove the top line and add this line. So this is using page 14. Now, in case that you were using something else like page 16 or like the different ones, you have to check here on the bottom. You have to make sure that you modify with the corresponding page. This is page 14. This is page 16. So just keep that in mind. Also, we need to remove all this red text, which is all the health check. This is no longer going to be required for this version 1.133. Also, we add these two lines, and this is in case that you're using, if your database is stored on a hard drive, you would remove this comment so you can set the DB storage type to HDD. So another thing that is recommended, highly advised, is to back up your database. So before we proceed with the update, we're just going to go ahead, open this on another tab, and we're going to see the command here. It depends on your version. Like on my case, the version 1.29, this is the one that we're running. On your versions of Immich, you can go in here, do administration jobs, you create a job, and then you can dump the database. But in this version, it's not available. So the way that we're going to create the database dump, we're going to go SSH into the system. So I had already opened mine. I'm going to take this command here. I'm going to copy it. This is going to be the container name. So I'm just going to copy it like this because that's the container name that I have. So I'm going to copy here. I'm going to go back to my SSH. I'm going to right click, and now here I'm just going to have to modify the path. So I'm just going to store it there on the root. So I'm going to remove all of this, and I'm just going to leave like that. So I'm going to enter that, and let's see what we get. All right, so we have it right here. This is the dump that got created just right now. So that's the backup for our database. So now the next steps that we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to Open Media Vault or wherever you have your environmental parameters. So in this one is in Compose File, and I find the image one. I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna edit this. In case you're in a different version, you want to change the release to the version that you want. In this case, I want to go to version 1. I think I have to do the way it's on the here. Go back. So this is just gonna force it to get the Docker version, which is 1.133.0. Another thing that we had to remove was like the health checks. So let me. So we remove all the health check all the way to restart. All right, and then we're gonna go back. We need to make sure we get this new image. Like I said, just keep in mind of what page it is. In my case, I'm using page 14, which you can see right here. So it's exactly the same one. So I'm just gonna remove this and paste a new image. And then we also need to add these two lines. I mean, they're not needed if your database, or this is right after the data checksums. It's not needed if you already have your SSD, their database on an SSD. Make sure you don't have this plus sign here, and also, okay, right there. That in case that you have your database on a hard drive, make sure you uncomment this like this. In this case, it's not. I don't have it on a hard drive. Okay, and I think that's the only thing that we have to do. Okay, so I'm just gonna click save. Now that we did that, we need to go ahead and go to the image, and then we're gonna do a pull. That should pull the version 1.33.0. All right, so we finished pulling the new images. So I'm just gonna close this, and now I'm gonna select it again, and then I'm gonna do up. Okay, now you can actually go with it highlighted, go into tools, and then you can do follow logs. You can look at the information here. Now I'm just gonna go over here to the server. I'm just gonna try to reload it. Okay, there. So it's now, you can see that the server is version 1.133.0, and it's telling us that there's a new update available. So I'm gonna acknowledge this. Now, if you check here in admin, you do not account settings. It's administration jobs. You now have the ability to create a job to dump the database. You see this one here. So next time you want to create a database dump, you can just click here, confirm, and you can do that. So now that we successfully opened up the image on this newer version, and we already modified the YAML, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it back to release so we can get the 1.134. So if you go back to releases, you can go all the way up. The newest one right now is 1.134.0. So you can either put this release in the environment, or you can just do the release. So I'm gonna do release. I just wanted to force it into the 133 so we didn't have any issues with the conversion, since we needed to make sure that we were on this or newer. So now that that's been said, I'm just gonna go stop this. This is just the logs. I'm gonna stop this again. So I'm gonna edit, gonna go to the environment. So I guess if you want to have more control, you can just specify the version that you want, because if you leave it on release and you do accidentally do a pull, what's going to happen is you're going to end up pulling the latest release. So I think it makes more sense to leave it on the version. I think that was the newest one, the 134.0. So I'm going to save this now. I'm going to pull it again so I can get the new version, the 134. Okay, so we finished pulling, so I'm just going to close. Now I'm going to up. Right, so now we go back to image. That's pretty much it. That's how you get Immich upgraded to version 1.133, and then get it to the latest one at the time of this recording, which is the version 1.134. If you all have any questions, make sure to leave it down in the comments. Any video suggestions, let me know. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.